My name is Ron LePage and I'm the president of Vereco Homes. Vereco Homes' mission is to help Canadians build smart green homes. The objective of this video is to introduce you to our new line of First Nation homes. When we started to design homes for First Nations, we were focused on three areas. We wanted to make the homes durable, energy efficient, and we wanted to deal with indoor air quality and mold management. I'd like to go through some of the features of the floor plan to give you a sense of how we designed the floor plan with these goals in mind. We had a number of durability issues that we wanted to deal with. The utility area and the bathroom area will have a common floor drain. If there's ever any problems with water leakage from the hot water heater, the washer and dryer, or any other of the utilities in the bathroom, the common water drain will deal with those issues. This will ensure that the building stays solid and that maintenance costs are reduced while eliminating the risk of mold in these areas. All of the walls are built with rounded corners to reduce impact of small hits to the corners of the rooms. Water-resistant drywall will be used in the bathroom to resist mold and ensure longer durability. The interior walls will all have OSB backing behind the drywall. This will reduce the probability of damage to the walls and reduce maintenance costs in the long term. The entire home will be covered in commercial grade linoleum flooring. This will be long lasting and again will reduce the impact of any moisture problems in the floor. Heating will be supplied by floor baseboard heaters. These baseboard heaters require very little maintenance, and because of the high efficiency of the building, electric heat is a very good option for reduced maintenance, zone heating, and the elimination of moisture from condensation, period. LED lighting will be used throughout the home. LED light bulbs typically have a life of 30 to 40,000 hours and will significantly reduce the amount of energy used during that time. All of the water piping that goes through primarily the bathroom and the kitchen areas will be in PEX pipes so that there's less risk of damage in the event of a freeze-up. The bathroom will be a one-piece shower, also reducing the risks of moisture problems and reducing maintenance costs. All Vereco homes are designed to be very energy efficient, and this one is no different. The walls are 12 inches thick with an R40 value of insulation. We have also added additional insulation in the attic to a total of R80, and we are insulating the floor so that the crawl space is not heated, and the floor will have R40 insulation as well. Low flow water fixtures in the bathroom, shower, sink, and other sinks will reduce hot water demand and the cost of heating hot water. Bathroom fans, kitchen fans will all be attached to the heat recovery ventilation system to reduce heat loss and ensure a high level of indoor air quality. Finally, we do a number of things specifically focused on improving indoor air quality. We've already mentioned the one-piece shower units, the floor drains, and the bathroom fan connected to heat recovery ventilation. We believe that using high-quality windows, double glazed windows, will reduce the impact of condensation on the windows, creating added moisture and potential mold problems. When we look at the exterior of the house, we're planning to use a hardy panel or hardy board finish. This is a very durable finish, low maintenance, and fire resistant. The roof will either be 35-year shingles or a metal roof, which will of course also reduce maintenance. The metal roof actually being fireproof as well. As we mentioned, the R40 walls and the R80 in the attic and R40 in the floor will create a very energy efficient building envelope to reduce energy costs throughout. The crawl space will not be heated, saving significant heating costs as well as reducing mold problems in the crawl space. The design of the home is using a passive solar design, the idea being to use the natural sun's energy to heat the house as much as possible. This home, the way it's designed with these large windows in the front on the south side, will result in about 21.5% of the heating requirements being supplied by the sun. To do this, we must ensure that the sun enters the home in the winter, and you can see the shadows on December 21st in this shot, showing that clearly the shadows are, the sun is shining into the rooms to heat up the rooms in the winter. On June 21st, our objective is to shade the windows so that the house doesn't overheat. And you can see now the sun at June 21st at noon with the windows well shaded to reduce energy consumption for shading. Quick look on the west side of the home shows that there's no windows on this side. This is to reduce overheating in the summer when the hot sun would typically be shining in through windows on this side. The north side has several smaller windows, mostly for light and to allow for cross ventilation. The cold room in the back corner has a screen porch, a screen instead of a window to allow for proper ventilation. And the east side has one small window in the dining area. This is to let some natural light into the dining area as well as to ensure that there's proper cross ventilation. So the Vereco home, the Vereco First Nations series is designed specifically for First Nations. We've shown a number of durability features that will make the home last 50 years or more in any environment. The home is super energy efficient and the energy reductions are in the area of 60% from a standard home. This equates to about $2,000 a year in the first year, and assuming a 6% cost increase in energy each year over the 50 years, the total savings on this home are about $600,000 from the reduced energy consumption over 50 years. Finally, indoor air quality and mold management have been major concerns that we've addressed with a number of features already mentioned. If you have any questions regarding the Vereco First Nation Home Series, please contact Ron LePage at 306-261-4542 or email to ron@ronlepage.com, RONN@RONNLEPAGE.com. Thank you.